All right, we just got these. Let's unbox these beautiful hearing aids. First of all, they are Elehear Beyond 2 Pro. This is the newest thing. All right, over the counter, smart hearing aids. Bam. All right, so we got that, right? So here they are. Now I've taken the liberty of pulling it out of its package because they have this all wrapped when you get it. But let's go ahead and we'll get it out. Bam. Set that to the side. And here they are. Check them out. Ba-ting. And look, we got they're charged. Now to charge these, it's pretty simple. You just put them on a USB-C, right? So while we're waiting and while we're looking through here, I might as well just pump these on a USB-C, and we'll just go ahead and plug them in. I've got a block back there just to get the extra charge on them. That's how you do it, right? You can see it's charging right here. All right, so while we're looking through the box, we might as well just go ahead and charge it. So we've got a USB-C. We can put it right in there, and you'll look right here. You'll see it. Yeah, so it could use the charge. We'll set it right there. It comes with, of course, all the paperwork that you need. This is your quick start guide. You need that. Here's some QR codes. You can download the app here. I already have the app downloaded. And over here we have your user manual, and it's pretty, it's technical, so you need to read this thing. But anyway, inside of here you've got extra ear domes. The ear domes are those things on the end of the hearing aid. You can see they got different sizes. I'm not going to pull them out of the package because they're sterile in there, you know what I mean? And they got a bunch of them in there. I think they also have the wax, the things to clean them. So there's a bunch of stuff in there. You'll need to use that later, and it'll explain it in the booklet itself, the manual. Here you've got a receiver, and I think you get 2 of them in here. And there's a QR code there, and it kind of explains how to do it. I can get them out of here. Here it is. And I think one's red, you can see that, and the other must be the left-hand side. So red's usually right. So you get 2 of those, see? Nothing else. Save this stuff. Don't lose it, okay? Let's put that to the side. And then you get a USB, which I think it's, I have a bunch of USBs, but, of course, they give you one with it. If I can get it out of here. And it's a USB A to C, so it's a USB A to C. All right, so you do get that. Let's set that right there. And then you get these, let me show you. You get these wax guards, which you're gonna need, all right? So, and I think I did some videos on it with the other, this is a little thing you can, clean them with. Look at this, let me show you. It's got this little doohickey here so you can scrape it. But here's the, see if it'll come out. It's kind of packed in there tight. Oh, there they are. All right, so these you need, for your hearing aids because you'll have to, every once in a while you're gonna have to do a little maintenance on them. So, but let's hang on to all this, all right, because we don't want to lose it. And we'll put it right back in here so that we don't lose it. The USB-C, I have, like I said, millions of them, so we really don't need that. The ear domes you want to keep because yours may not fit the way you want. You might want a bigger or smaller one, all right? And don't lose any of this. You're going to need it all right? So it's going to give you a quick start guide on here. So we'll keep that, and we'll put that right there, and bam, Bob's your uncle. Now all we got to do is wait for these to charge up really good, and we'll go ahead and try them out and see what we think. How's that sound?